To schedule a post on Facebook, first be on your account, okay, just as I am right now. Then you tap on the area that says what's on your mind. So I'll tap here and then I will type what is on my mind. So type anything I want to type, okay? So here I'm done typing what I want to have inside here. Then the next step you need to take is to tap on the next button. Here it says get word out of more from people, no post original. Then on this new page, you will see scheduling options, okay? So tap there and then select schedule for later. All right, today is 18, tomorrow is 19. So I want to schedule it for tomorrow being 19th. So I'll tap there. Now the time choosing here is 6 p.m. That's 1800 Nigerian time. So I will tap on the time section. All right. So okay, let's see. I've tapped on the July 19th. Sorry. So you can see here tomorrow, July 19th at 1800. So I will tap there, and then I will choose a different time for myself. Okay. So I will drag down until I am on 06. All right, I want it to be 0600, just as you can see on the screen. So you choose a time for yourself, okay? Then tap on save. Once you tap on save, you know that everything is in place, all right? So you tap on this arrow that points back, all right, towards the left to get to the previous page. Once you are here, the next step you need to take is to tap on post. So with this, the post is scheduled, okay? So if I tap on my profile image and then I will go down, you will see it doesn't appear. This is what I did 5 hours ago. So this is how you can schedule posts on your Facebook page or Facebook account, okay?